Hello! In this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on touch shutter in camera app in Zenfone 11 Ultra. Touch shutter means that you can take a photo by pressing on the screen anywhere, not only on the shutter button. To do it, open camera app, then press on down arrow, press on settings icon, and then you can disable or enable touch shutter. I'm going to enable it and show you how it works. Let's go back to camera app, and then we can take a photo by pressing on the screen. How you can see, the photo has been taken. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.